Thank you for making False Bay TVET College your first choice to study. We would like to make your application experience as user-friendly as possible. How to complete the online application. Make sure all your supporting documents are scanned or photographed before you start your application process. Supporting documents are ID document, highest qualification, proof of address, and personal information consent form. You'll also need a valid email address. Gmail is a good one and it's free. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. Either Google Chrome or Firefox must be used as the web browser. Then search False Bay College or type in falsebaycollege.co.za. On the False Bay College website, navigate down to the Apply Now. Click New Applicant. When selecting the field of interest, make sure you know which campus it is offered at. Not all programs are offered at all campuses. Once you have selected the correct campus, mode, year, and intake, you can select Next. Personal details must be recorded as it appears on the ID book or passport. Do not use any spaces in telephone numbers. If you have a disability, please select the area requiring support. We have a dedicated inclusive education department who will assist you during your learning journey with the college. Your application will be handled confidentially. If you have or planning to apply for a bursary, please select Yes. If you are under the age of 18, the Parent/Guardian section must be completed. Then click Next. This is your schooling information section. First, your highest grade passed, then the year you completed that grade in, and finally, the school or institution. If your school or institution is not listed, please scroll down to the bottom. Select Other and simply type in the name of the school. Then click Next. Now we will upload the supporting documents. Click Browse to locate the documents where you saved them earlier. Then click Submit. If your application has been successfully created, you will receive the following screen. Write down and keep the AP number. The AP number will be SMSed and emailed to you via the information provided. Click Home to finish. Please note, a completed application does not mean that you have been registered. There are several verification processes which needs to take place. Only once you have registered and have been issued a student number is your admission completed.